Ready for something incredible? Let's dive in!
Number 1.
The Aurora Borealis is one of the most breathtaking natural displays ever seen by humanity. It appears as colorful curtains of light dancing across the night sky. Most visible near the northern hemisphere in places like Norway, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska. Aurora forms when solar particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, creating a natural glow that spreads beautifully across the atmosphere. What makes it even more magical is its unpredictable colors. Sometimes green, sometimes pink, purple, or even blue. This phenomenon has been recorded for thousands of years and is deeply tied to legends and stories from ancient civilizations. Some cultures believed the lights were messages from the heavens, while others saw them as signs of protection. Today, Aurora Borealis attracts travelers from all over the world. Many people travel great distances and wait in freezing temperatures just to witness it once in their lifetime. It is not only a spectacle of beauty, but also a reminder of the powerful connection between the sun and our planet. The lights show us that nature still holds mysteries that inspire wonder and amazement.
Number 2.
In the summer of 1972, people across the western United States witnessed one of the most extraordinary atmospheric events ever recorded, the Great Fireball of 1972. This brilliant object streaked across the daylight sky on August 10th, moving so low and so bright that thousands of witnesses thought it was a crashing aircraft, a missile, or even the end of the world. Scientists later confirmed it was a massive meteoroid that entered Earth's atmosphere at an unusually shallow angle, skimming across the sky like a stone bouncing on water. Instead of striking the ground, it traveled nearly 500 kilometers before exiting the atmosphere and returning to space. This rare type of event is called an Earth-Grazing Fireball, and only a few have ever been documented in human history. The fireball produced intense light, booming sounds, and a glowing trail that remained visible for several minutes. Photographs taken from Montana and Wyoming showed a bright, burning object dragging a long tail of ionized gas behind it. Despite its size and power, the meteoroid never exploded, making the event even more mysterious. The Great Fireball of 1972 remains a reminder of how close Earth sometimes comes to cosmic objects and how remarkable it is that our planet's atmosphere can protect us from dangers we rarely notice.
Number 3.
Lake Natron in northern Tanzania is one of the most surreal and misunderstood places on Earth. At first glance, the lake looks like a giant mirror of deep red and orange, but its beauty hides a chemistry unlike any other. The water is extremely alkaline, with a pH level close to ammonia, caused by minerals carried down from the surrounding volcanic hills. When the temperature rises, the shallow water begins to evaporate, leaving behind crystallized salt formations that shine in vivid red, tones due to microscopic organisms that thrive in the extreme environment. Many people once believed that the lake turned animals to stone, but the truth is far calmer and far more scientific. When small creatures come into contact with the salty, drying edges of the lake, mineral deposits form on their surfaces, preserving their shapes like natural sculptures. No dangerous transformation happens in the water itself. Surprisingly, Lake Natron is also a sanctuary. It is one of the world's most important breeding grounds for flamingos, which use the remote and harsh landscape as protection from predators. The lake reminds us that even the most extreme environments can support life in unexpected ways and hold mysteries that reveal the resilience of nature.
Number 4.
The Baobab tree, often called the tree of life, is one of the most extraordinary living organisms on the planet. Found across parts of Africa, Madagascar, and Australia, these massive trees can live for thousands of years and grow trunks so wide that entire rooms can be carved inside them. What makes the baobab truly remarkable is its ability to store water. During rainy seasons, the tree soaks up enormous amounts of moisture and holds it within its spongy trunk, allowing it to survive years of drought. Some baobabs can hold more than 100,000 liters of water inside their thick bodies. The tree also provides food, shelter, and protection for countless species. Birds nest in its branches, Small mammals rest in its shade, and humans use its nutrient-rich fruit and leaves for traditional remedies. Because the tree can regenerate bark and branches even after damage, many cultures consider it a symbol of strength and wisdom. Legends across Africa describe the baobab as a tree planted upside down, with its roots reaching toward the sky. Whether seen scientifically or symbolically, the baobab tree stands as a reminder of how life adapts, endures, and flourishes even in the harshest environments.
Number 5.
Snow falling in the Sahara Desert sounds impossible, yet it has happened several times in recent history. One of the most stunning events occurred near the town of Ain Sefra in Algeria, where the golden dunes of the desert were suddenly covered in a layer of bright white snow. The contrast was breathtaking. Rolling sand hills wrapped in ice patterns that resembled frozen ocean waves. While the Sahara is known as one of the hottest and driest places in the world, temperatures can drop sharply during winter nights, sometimes dipping below freezing. When a rare combination of cold air and moisture moves across northern Africa, snowfall can occur in short bursts. The snow usually melts within hours, but the images it leaves behind continue to fascinate people around the world. Scientists say these events are not signs of a frozen desert, but rather examples of how complex and unpredictable the atmosphere can be. The Sahara spans multiple climates and elevations, and its weather can shift far more dramatically than many people realize. Sahara snowfall is a gentle reminder that even the most extreme landscapes can experience moments of unexpected beauty.
Number 6.
Kawah Ijen in East Java, Indonesia, is home to one of the most mesmerizing natural spectacles on Earth. Glowing blue flames that appear to rise from the volcano at night. Many believe the mountain emits blue lava, but the truth is even more fascinating. The glowing effect comes from sulfuric gases escaping through cracks in the volcano. When these gases contact the air and ignite at high temperatures, they burn with a bright blue flame that flows across the rocks, creating the illusion of liquid fire. The phenomenon is rare because it requires both large sulfur deposits and intense heat to produce the glowing blue effect. During daylight, Kawah Ijen reveals another wonder, a turquoise, acidic lake that fills the crater. Despite its harsh conditions, the landscape attracts scientists, photographers, and travelers who want to witness the extraordinary combination of color and geology. The blue flames are harmless to watch from a safe distance and provide a glimpse into how complex and powerful Earth's inner processes can be. Kawah Ijen remains one of the world's most iconic volcanic locations, showing that fire itself can sometimes glow in colors far beyond what we expect.
Number 7.
Rainbow Mountain, or Vinicunca, is one of Peru's most remarkable natural landmarks, famous for its vibrant stripes of color that stretch across the landscape like painted layers. The mountain's unusual appearance comes from mineral deposits built up over millions of years. Iron creates red tones, copper produces green, sulfur forms yellow, and other elements contribute shades of orange, blue, and purple. For centuries, the mountain remained mostly hidden beneath layers of snow, but warming temperatures in recent decades revealed the full spectrum of colors beneath. When sunlight hits the slopes, the mountain glows like a natural rainbow carved into stone. Located high in the Andes at over 5,000 meters above sea level, Rainbow Mountain requires effort to reach, but the journey is part of its charm. Visitors often speak about the silence, the crisp air, and the feeling of standing inside a painting. Local communities consider the mountain sacred, believing its colors reflect harmony between Earth and the sky. Today, Rainbow Mountain stands as a symbol of how geology, time, and climate can shape landscapes that feel almost unreal. It remains a favorite destination for explorers, seeking beauty that exists nowhere else in the world.
Thanks for watching. For more shocking facts and real-world stories, hit subscribe and stay with us.